Xiao Nang Mai, Zhao Nang Mai. Number 12, Liu Mai. Xiao Mai. Would like to comment on your show. Everyone, please, could you please line up? Okay, zo bây giờ chúng ta bảo chúng judges hay bây giờ comment bây giờ bây giờ chỉ bảo lại đấy, bây giờ hana bây giờ bây.
Okay, parameters and checklist that we have touched upon are the overall traditional format, which is the props and the garments, how you have fused and used it. That is one. Second is the concept and the presentation, how you have used that in the stage, the visual display. The third is the color coordination, how does it plays to the eye movement. And the fourth one is the